Someone on YouTube wants me to make a video how I hook the wires up to the battery, and you could say to the antenna too. Okay, what I did, I ran the wires up here, down there, through the firewall. You take all this off to get to the firewall where the hole is. I found a hole behind here somewhere. I got it through. Which wire was it? That one. I had to join the normal power wire up to it. I ran it across there. I'm using the extension cord because you need thick wire to run it onto the battery. I don't have much room down here. You got the wire. Oh, you can't see it. That's the Carex. The Carex is there. That's going through the firewall. Yeah. I took all this off to do it. Let me walk around there. Let me get back in. I've got this bolted to the main metal frame here. You don't drill it any further because you drill it through the roof of it. Yeah, because that's where your main frame is. I took the lining off the roof. It was all dangling, so I cleaned it all up and gave it a paint job. Looks pretty good. It won't come apart. But then next time, yeah, it's a cheaper way to do it. Yeah, well, that's how I hooked up this CB to a Holden Statesman. Yeah, there's no room down here. I've got my UHF radio here, that's okay there. Gets in the way sometimes with your knee. Yeah, it's no good me talking on the radio. I'm under the carport. Yeah, well, that's how I did it. It's easy to do. Just look how thick these wires are.
Yeah, good on you, Bob. Yeah, good to catch up with you, Bob. We haven't heard you for ages there, mate. Hey, I'll see if I can get back to you.
And you can't hook these radios to your light up because you need more power to operate it. Yeah. Let's take this off. Remember, turn it off every time you finish using it, or you might get dead battery the next morning. Most of the time I have left it on overnight. Yeah. How you doing? Well, that's how I got it rigged up. Yeah, it's only a stretcher cord, it does its job anyway.